We all know things that are expensive, like weddings, vacations, kids, healthcare, education, PlayStations, housing. And what's up with pine nuts and avocados? Today, even random things are expensive, like fuel, cheese, meat and toilet paper. But you know what's also expensive? The first service of my Ducati Desert X. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my experience with the first service of my Ducati Desert X and how much it costs. As many riders know, servicing a Ducati is costly, but I was surprised by the cost. So as you may know, it's important to get your bike serviced regularly to keep it in top condition. For the Desert X, the first service is recommended at around 600 miles or 1000 kilometers. I took my bike to the local dealership to get my first service done. During the first service, the mechanic performed a comprehensive inspection of the bike to check any issues and potential problems. They also changed the oil and the oil filter, checked and adjusted the chain tension, and performed other routine maintenance tasks. The whole process took around a few hours. After the service was completed, I received an invoice of everything that was done. And this is the invoice. So, how much did the first service cost? Well, it varied depending on where you live and in which dealership you go to, but for me it cost us around 350 euros. This is a lot of money. I was quite surprised because the same service for let's say a Yamaha T7 is around 150 or 170 euros. I know what you're thinking. You're complaining about service costs of a Ducati? You get what you signed up for. Yeah, I was expecting a bill like this, but still somehow it surprised me, because if you do the math, it shouldn't be more than around 150 euros. But yeah, you pay a premium for a Ducati. I need to accept it. But you know, it's worth it. It's absolutely worth it in the long run to keep your bike running smoothly and prevent any costly repairs. And of course, you can do it by yourself, but here in Europe, if you do it by yourself, you will lose the warranty, and eventually down the road, if something breaks, you have a problem. I do have some questions for you. I'm just wondering, I was quite surprised by the cost of the first service. But are you? What was the service cost of your first service for your Ducati Desert X, for another Ducati or another bike? It can also be a KTM, Honda or BMW, but leave a comment below. So that's it for today's video. I hope this gave you any insight in what to expect for the first service of Ducati Desert X and how much it costs. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.